She's not in her house. Again, Witchcraft Bayou. Hope I'm saying that properly. Oh, this is a 360-degree video. You probably already saw that, but it is best viewed with VR goggles. But if you don't have those, no worries. You can move your phone around. Oh, yeah, I don't know if you could see it, but up in the sky there is what was just a rocket launch, which I was not expecting. It'd be would have been even cooler if I got it on camera. But anyway, back to the zone. You can move your phone around like a virtual camera. It's pretty cool. Bug just flew up my nose. Sorry about that. So I am actually going to go, since it is a 360 video and it takes a little while to put on the goggles or whatever, I am going to go through this twice. Oh. The reason why I'm doing this before it gets completely dark is that this is a GoPro, and GoPros are garbage in the dark. Hello? Nice. So yeah, I'm going to turn around here and I'm going to walk through this again. So, because it's a pretty short video otherwise. Even though it's a good sized zone. So 9:30, okay. I'm gonna go see the second Monster Stomp show. I was just... $9:30, remind me of that, guys. I may go higher on the way back so you can see over me. You turn up here, just want to catch that last character. All right, 360, or well, 180 time. Wow, that is one hidden character. Feels more like a deadly ambush, but that's not this zone. Witchcraft Bayou? I don't know, which? Oh, there's one over by that fire hydrant too. There's Al, a gator. There's a walking bush.
You're blending in.
Yeah, that's the point. Private property, no trespassing.
Got the same body, just not the same.
All right. That is, again, Witchcraft Bayou, 2 different takes. Now, there's usually somebody over here. Not sure why not, but thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.